Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys Valentine's Day look. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Eyeshadow primer, definitely for this video. Maybelline Baby Skin primer. Go in with my concealer, a beauty blender, and blend this up. Do my eyebrows. Do the same thing to this eyebrow. Yeah, messed up concealer palette. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Matte blush palette. I'm just gonna blend it out. L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Like, do you see the difference though? Make some faux freckles. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair to finish this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below with lots of love and what you guys are going to be doing for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button anywhere on your device. If you guys want to see more exotic, artsy, edgy looks, this video thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!